Legendary. Developer Spark Unlimited. The agency Covert Ops. Time Crysis 4. Time Crysis 4. Call of Juarez, the Cartel. Call of Juarez, the Cartel. TimeShift. Developer Saber Interactive. Conflict Denied Ops. Project Offset. Project Offset. Aliens vs. Predator. Aliens vs. Predator. The Chronicles of Riddick. Assault on Dark Athena. Haze. Developer Crytek UK. BlackSite Area 51. Turning Point, Fall of Liberty. Developer Spark Unlimited. Call of Juarez, Bound in Blood. Call of Juarez, Bound in Blood. 2. Project Origin. 2. Project Origin. Team Fortress 2. Team Fortress 2. The Darkness Roman 2. The Darkness Roman 2. Operation Flashpoint, Dragon Rising. Developer Co-Masters for Operation Flashpoint. Dragon Rising 24, 35 the best tank simulator games of all time, ranked 85. Of 101 the best Xbox 360 RPG of all time, 120 of 162 the best Xbox 360 shooter games. Operation Flashpoint, Red River. Duke Nukem Forever. Developer Gearbox Software. Turok. Developer F.E.A.R Propaganda Games. Unreal Tournament Roman 3. Half-Life 2 Episode 1. Half-Life 2 Episode 1. Mag. Brothers in Arms Hell's Highway. Developer Gearbox Software. Singularity. Far Cry 2. Developer Ubisoft Montreal. Homefront. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Vegas 2. Dying Light. Developer Techland More 41 of 177 the best video games of the 2010s. Ranked 25 of 109. The best PlayStation 4 games released so far 13 of 56. The best survival games of all time. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Vegas. Developer, Ubisoft Quebec. Ubisoft Montreal, more Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six. Vegas 18 of 103, the best online multiplayer shooters. 44 of 55, the best PlayStation 4 action games. Crysis 3. Developer, Cartel. Half-Life 2, Episode 2. Developer, Valve Corporation. Deus Ex, Human Revolution. Developer, Eidos Montreal, more Deus Ex. Human Revolution 87 of 271. The most compelling video game storylines ever. 113 of 354, the greatest RPG video games ever made. Dead Island. Developer, Techland, more Dead Island 45 of 57, the best multiplayer games on Xbox Game Pass. 16 of 20, great video game movies waiting to happen. Bulletstorm. Call of Duty 3. Developer, Exact Entertainment, Treyarch. Destiny. Developer, Bungie. Of Honor, Airborne. Developer, DICE Los Angeles. Battlefield, Bad Company. Medal of Honor, Frontline. Portal. Developer, Valve Corporation, more Portal. 16 games you need to play if you love puzzle platformers like Portal 5 of 382, list of games with girls in the lead and female protagonists. 30 of 178, the best video game franchises of all time. Rage. Resistance 2. Crysis 2. BioShock 2. Wolfenstein. Far Cry 4. Developer, Ubisoft Montreal. Fallout New Vegas. Half-Life 2. Borderlands. Battlefield, Bad Company 2. Killzone 2. BioShock. Resistance, Fall of Man. Killzone 3. Borderlands 2. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Battlefield 4. Battlefield 3. Developer, EH Collusion, see more. Battlefield 310 of 114, the best games to play online. 9 of 12 things modern games need to stop doing. 14 of 68, the best online multiplayer games. Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare. Call of Duty Black Ops.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.